it's right above the lens. Technology is wonderful. Wonderful. Stop looking at my hair. I know, I never fix it. Full electric cars are gonna be the thing. And I have one of the newest ones in the shop, Tesla Model 3. This Tesla was in bad shape. If you look at some of the photos while I was working on it on Facebook, yeah, you can see. Best technology, worst paint jobs ever. But keeps me employed. It's ready for prestige films. Of course, I didn't ceramic coat it because it's getting wrapped first. We might ceramic coat after, I don't know. But there are ceramic coatings for paint protection film. But this thing is beautiful.